Okay, so today is April 1st. I have not vlogged in a while. I don't know how to put this. My stand is in the kitchen, in the living room, and I don't feel like getting it. So wherever I put you guys at is where I'm going to vlog from. Give me a second. Okay, so I'm home by myself. It is like legit the afternoon right now. It is at least like 3 o'clock going on 4. Kai is not here. He's at his grandmother's house for the weekend because my birthday's coming up. It's on Monday, but I don't know if I'm doing something this weekend or not. But today I just really been just chilling, watching TV, literally laying on the couch. The only thing I ate today was literally 3 waffles, 4 sausages and eggs, and water. That's the only thing I ate today. Anyway, in this video, what I'm going to do, I want to do something today. I didn't shower today. I legit just relaxed because like I haven't relaxed in like a while. So I was thinking about doing a bubble bath and then probably doing something to my hair, do some self-care, shaving because I don't get a time or a chance to shave like I want to. And yeah, we might go out tonight to eat something. I'm not sure. Right now I just don't even want to eat anything. I feel really nauseous as crap. And I don't know why. And for some odd reason, loving how my hair looks right now because it has been getting a little bit long. Let me show you. So like it has been getting a little bit long, and I really like the middle part of it and how it frames my face a little bit. Let me see if I can show you how the back look. This is like the length of my hair. When I hold it down, it's like that, but like this is like legit the length of my hair now since pregnancy. If I can show the clip of how my hair looked before pregnancy or like during pregnancy, like this is from 2 pregnancies. So yeah. So for like one of my graduation gifts, my best friend Kayla had got me like this like self-care thing. It came with shower gel, bubble bath. Oh my god, I look fat. Anyway, bubble bath, these balms, and a body scrub. And I'm going to use that. I feel really nauseous as crap, and I don't know why. I took plenty of pregnancy tests, so like it came out negative, but like maybe just the hormones. But this doesn't feel particularly good. And I might, after I get out of the shower, try on some clothes that I might wear tonight or wear this weekend. I'm not really sure, but yeah, I don't know, it feels good a little bit, but I also cried a little bit today because I miss my baby boy. He's 6 months and he's starting to teeth and he's crawling, he's scooting, but he's also learning to crawl a little bit, and I love it. I don't know, I'm just, every time he goes away I'm like legit get sad, and I get bored because I don't have nothing else to do because I'm a stay-at-home mom. So I don't have all the water in it yet, but this is the bath bomb, so I'm gonna unravel it, and then I don't want to drop it so hard in here because it might crack. But yes, we put some more water in here. So I'm gonna show you the outfit if I can find it of what I'm going to wear if we actually do go out tonight. Why is that popping? Or tomorrow, because tomorrow's Saturday, so I don't really know. I need to take my pill. I'm just like all over the place right now. So I know I want to wear these pants because I might be getting my toes done. These are the Fashion Over. Why am I out of breath? I'm gonna wear it. I'm out of breath with this white shirt. care. Or maybe this little crop top, even though it's not even like crop top season, and I have big ass boobs.
Big boobs? What?
I still might wear this. Yeah, I just feel lightheaded right now. Also, I'm gonna have some of this KeAsia wine, white sangria. This is the nastiest one I ever tasted, but it didn't have the kind that I liked. So yeah, I got this one, and yeah, you see my son's his sippy cup in the back. I'm very out of breath. If you hear me, yeah. So let me put this down and so I can pour it in there. Okay, let's see, how much should I put in there? Let's do about that much. Cause the bottle's halfway gone anyway, so like it really doesn't matter. So I'm really hot. Cheers. It definitely tastes better when it's settled. Okay, so it has been like probably an hour or two. I already took a bath and shower and did my self-care, drinking my wine. So right now I have on the outfit. I have on the pants, the shirt, sorry, flashing. Shirt is right here. I don't have nipple cover, so I'm using tape. Also, I'm still trying to figure out where we're gonna eat at, and I have not. I'm supposed to figure it out because it's my birthday weekend. I'm already a little tipped because I've been drinking a lot of wine. It wasn't that much. I drink a lot of wine, alright. Anyway, I need to still do my hair, wash my face, and do my makeup. So this is what I have on so far. This is my makeup, shirt, pants. Okay, so excuse the mirror, but this is the final look. Don't look at these because I don't have nipple, whatever it's called, so I use tape. This is the first time I ever wore my boobs out, but you know, I really don't care. To be honest, pants Fashion Nova, shirt probably from Ross or something. Bag, I think this, my sister's bag is from Shein, and shoes are from, I don't know. And this is how I have my hair in a high pony with two little side bangy thingies. You can see the looks poking out, but somebody might think that's a nipple piercing, so.
Trady went there?
Yeah, I'm gonna say I saw him on the
In Florida, right?
So we're in the movie theater to watch Morbius, and we're legit, I think, are the only people in here.
No, hell no, we ain't.
Okay, we just came early, huh? That's how many people that's coming in here to watch it. Oh my God, it's gonna be a whole bunch of people right there.
Not in this room, but yeah.
Multiverse was created, and how every decision has multiverse.
So, I want to come on here and tell you guys how the movie Morbius went. It was, at first I really didn't want to watch it. And when we went to go watch it, there barely were people in there. And how the movie was like made, they cut so many parts out of the movie that it doesn't even make sense. Like the beginning of the movie was a scene where he was at a certain place, and still to the end of the movie we still don't know how he got there or what possessed him to get there. it was a lot of just, huh? What? Who's that? How he did that? So it was, out of 10, it was a 4. So we were back home, and this is kind of the damage that we did, shopping and going out and having fun today. Excuse him being in his boxes. But yeah, this is all what we got. I got me a ring, got me an outfit. I got some stuff for me, Kai, me, and him.